Here's how to block or unblock a phone number or contact on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Blocking a number stops calls, messages, and FaceTime from unwanted contacts. Open the phone app. Tap Recents. Find the number you want to block. Tap the info icon. Scroll down and tap Block this caller. Confirm to block. Open the Contacts app. Select the contact. Scroll down and tap Block this caller. Confirm to block. Open Messages. Tap the conversation. Tap the contact name at the top. Tap Info, then Block this caller. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Phone, Blocked Contacts. You'll see a list of all blocked numbers. Swipe left on the number or tap Edit, then tap Unblock. Blocked contacts won't know they're blocked. Their calls go straight to voicemail. You can block the same number from phone, messages, and FaceTime settings. And that's it. That's how you block or unblock phone numbers on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.